Hello friends, so glad to welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite recipes for a wholesome vegan pie. Let's begin with half of a large cabbage or one small head and slice it into lovely thin strips. Place the cabbage into a deep mixing bowl. Take one zucchini. Slice it into thin half moons. Set the zucchini aside in a separate bowl. Sprinkle a little salt over it. Let the salt draw out the water from the zucchini. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Into the water that came out of the zucchini, gently sift in 100 grams of wheat flour. Pass it through a sieve so it's light and airy. Add 80 grams of corn flour. Season with salt to taste. Time to add your favorite spices. I'm using a mix of Italian herbs. Pour in 150 grams of clean water. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything well and let the batter rest for 15 minutes. Friends, we may never cross paths again, so hit subscribe now and we'll always stay connected. Peel a red onion. Slice it into thin half moons. You can also use white onion or shallots instead. Add the onion into the bowl with the cabbage. Peel the garlic. You'll need about 5 cloves. Chop them finely. Friends, tell me in the comments which city you're watching from. I'm always so curious to know. Place the garlic into the bowl with the vegetables. Slice a carrot into thin rounds. Cut the carrot rounds into thin strips. Add the carrot to the vegetables. Chop some green onions, or replace them with your favorite fresh herbs. Add the green onions to the bowl. Press the excess water out of the zucchini. Add the zucchini to the rest of the vegetables. Pour the batter over the sliced vegetables. Mix everything together until well coated. Spread the vegetable batter onto a baking sheet. Even it out across the surface. This delicious and healthy recipe was taught to me by an Italian chef, and I'm so happy to share it with you. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sauce. Into a blender cup, add 150 grams of yogurt. Add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Add 20 grams of your favorite herbs. I'm using basil and cilantro. Also add 30 grams of fresh spinach. Cut a lime in half. Squeeze in the juice. Add a splash of grape vinegar. Season with salt to taste. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Take the baked pie out of the oven. Perfectly baked, and the aroma is absolutely wonderful. Slice it into portions. It can be enjoyed while still warm. Friends, if you'd like to support me, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. That means so much to me. Place a few slices onto a plate. I'd love to know if you try this recipe at home. Share it with me in the comments. Add the fragrant green sauce and the dish is ready to enjoy. Share this simple and healthy recipe with your friends. It was such a pleasure cooking with you today, and I look forward to your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.